Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a highlight effect using Capcut. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Capcut and then import the video that you want to edit. Next, just trim your video. Select the part that you want. And then tap on overlay and add plain black screen. Just go to library and then choose this one. Adjust the durations and adjust the size until it full covers like this. After that, just tap on the overlay and go to mask and choose circle and choose invert and then adjust the circle to focus on the objects or area that you want to highlight. And don't forget to adjust the feather to smooth the edge. Like this. And then use keyframes to follow the object's movement. Add keyframes whenever the objects move and then adjust the mask position accordingly. And once you're done, lower the opacity of the black overlay to around 70% or whatever looks best. And here's the result. Like this, and that's it. You have just made a cool highlight effects in Capcut. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.